Hershey, you on the street? Good. Oh, look at him. He's covered in the snow. His feet aren't even all the way down. Oh, Hershey. Hershey, you looking for sticks? You're not going to find them, buddy. You're not going to find them.
I'm out.
Huh?
Huh?
What are you saying?
I'm out, finally.
Oh.
You knew to get out.
Hi.
Wow, this is the most snow ever.
I don't think so. I think we got more in 96. Or, I mean, we're not done yet. We still got more, a couple hours. It's not supposed to stop till tonight.
Where the hell did he get that?
Who's that? Is that a snow? Is that a snowmobile?
Get over here. Get over here. Get over here.
Ha! Ha ha!
That is super badass. That's super badass. Yeah, that's been kind of cool. Wish it had a plow on the front though. Yeah. You have that just in the garage? It's actually the neighbor's. He has a plow business and he's out plowing, so right through the neighborhood.
Come here, Hirsch.
Hershey, get back. Pretty jealous, man. Pretty cool. Alright. That is super bad.
Yeah. You wish you had one of those babies?
I definitely wish I had one of those.
What? Yeah, I know. He's right next to me.